Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I've got my breakfast room table set for Easter. I wanted to share it with you. This table, we don't use it a whole lot. This was a butler's pantry whenever I bought the house and made it into a small little breakfast room. We mostly just have our coffee here in the mornings, so I'm free to deck it out as heavily as I want to. We've got some antique milk glass cake stands that I've used to prop up things. We've got a centerpiece. We've got the little bunny. He's holding his little baskets. It's got daffodils and cherry blossoms. And I have a mixture of various teapots and cookie jars. I've also used a green floral placemat, and I've got doubled up my napkins. I've got the yellow cloth napkins with the green floral on top and the little bunny napkin rings. And I'm also using colored glass. I've got my little glasses. Each one is a different pastel shade. These are teapots and cookie jars that I've collected over the years. Some of these I've gotten in department stores, some of them I've found at thrift stores, and some of them I've even found at Goodwill. I've used the antique milk glass cake stands. I've got the rectangular one on the bottom, and then the cupcake stand. And I've got some little feathered egg topiaries with a little bunny teapot in the middle. I hope I've given you some inspiration for your Easter table. If I have, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.